Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make vanilla and chocolate swirl cookies. They are rich, buttery and one of the best treat with a hot cup of milk or coffee. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 egg. So guys, if you want the written recipe of these cookies, I have given the link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Mix the flour and the baking powder and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the butter and the caster sugar. Beat it for about a minute using a hand blender. Make sure that the butter is in room temperature, which means that it should not be melting or too hard. Add the vanilla essence and beat it for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl using a spatula while doing so. Add the egg and beat it. Add the flour mixture into the butter mixture in 2 batches and fold it using a spatula. Knead the dough using your hands till it comes together to form a ball. Divide the dough into 2. Sift the cocoa powder in one of the cookie batter and mix it well. Each dough separately in a plastic food wrap. Refrigerate it for about 1 or 2 hours. Once it is out of the refrigerator, wrap it in a large piece of plastic food wrap. to about half a centimeter thick. Unwrap it and place a rolled vanilla dough over the rolled chocolate dough carefully. Trim the edges of the dough and roll it with the help of a plastic wrap. Wrap it in a plastic food wrap and refrigerate it for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Once it's out of the refrigerator, unwrap it and cut it into thin slices. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack and then you're done with it. You can store these cookies in an airtight container for 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.